Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Laily Wahyuni. In this video, I want to share my understanding about ontology and epistemology of qualitative research. You know, qualitative research is an inquiry process of understanding of social problem based on building a complex. Qualitative research is conducted in certain situations based on building a complex. It means that there will be multiple realities in qualitative research. Ontology is the nature of reality. As I said before, that there will be multiple realities, or we call it as relativism. Those realities could be from other people or participants or informants that being researched. Epistemology is how we know about the realities. In qualitative research, the researcher needs to interact with the participants. Mostly, the researcher conduct an interview. In this interview, the researcher will expand the realities from the participants. After that, there will be a new paradigm. We call it as Constructivism paradigm. Paradigm is basic view of the two before, ontology and epistemology. The researcher will interpret the realities and construct it in order to gain new knowledge. Let me give you an example. Why do Indonesian people mostly use WhatsApp for online chatting? There will be multiple answers. For example, because it is easy to use, or the design is simple, or it is free for everyone, and so on. Then the researcher will expand the realities from the participant. Why these people said that WhatsApp is easy to use, and so on. After that, the researcher will construct the realities in order to gain new knowledge. That's all my understanding of the topic. Hopefully it will answer your questions. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh.